Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the exam preparation strategy for TCS TPS exam. In this video, I'll be discussing about the much sought after the book list that you need for preparing for this exam. So let's start this video. So guys, if you have not seen my last video, I'll give a link on the top. Go check that video first. In that video, I have discussed regarding how to divide your time while preparing for this exam, how to prepare for the pre in let's say 3 to 4 months, and then how to start preparing for the mains in 4 to 5 months. All these things are discussed in the last video. In this video, I'll be discussing regarding all the main books, the sources, the reference books, everything I'll be discussing. I'll also give the links from where to purchase these books. So please first go and check out the last video and then come back here to see all the book sources. So the very basic success mantra of this exam or any civil service exam is having minimum number of books or sources and doing multiple revision of that source. See guys, whoever have started preparing for this exam, everyone will be telling you buy this book, buy that book. There are so many good books available in the market, but once that many books you have already purchased and it piles up in the table, you also get demotivated seeing at the number of books that you have to read. So keep your number of books or sources to the minimum and do multiple revision of that book. I'll give you a list of all the important books that are required for this exam, and at the same time I'll be giving you a list of books which you can read in addition to that. So the thing is, I have gone to the market and I have checked which all books are available in the market. These are some of the books that are available by Parul Prakashani, by R.C. Poddar, then again Parul Library, and also Tripura Info. These are the books that are available in the market. So one thing about these books, sir, all the books are good, no doubt, but the thing is, all these books I have seen are mainly focused on MCQs. I have asked the shop owners of Orient shop, Parul also, and some other bookshop also. They were saying that there are no writers who are writing books mainly on the source material or the study material sort of topic. They are not writing books on that. What they are focusing on is mainly on the MCQs. So for any of you guys, it becomes very difficult to start preparing for this video. Actually, I didn't have that idea because I was preparing from mainly reference books. So once you guys were asking so many times regarding the sources of for preparing for this book, now actually I have a better idea of why do you need the sources of the books. So these are the books that are available in the market. So let's go next into how I will be structuring this video. So I'll be giving you a list of the minimum basic books, though these are the books that you must need to start preparing for this exam. Once you have finished this minimum basic books, then you can go into the additional resources. All these things plus the links of buying the books I'll be providing in the description. Okay, first starting with history. So history prelims topics is history of modern India and Indian national movement, specifically 1857 to 1947. That's the freedom struggle. So in prelims this topic is there, and also in mains GS paper 2 section A this topic is there. The way I am giving you the sources is this covers both the pre and the mains. You can't for separately study for the pre and not study for the mains. Your approach to this exam should be ki I will study for the main specifically, and at the same time my pre study will be over. Okay, so the minimum basic book that is required for this history portion of India is Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir. That's by Spectrum. The link is there in the description. Next, this will cover most or mainly each and every topic of history of modern India and Indian national movement in a very lucid and a very systematic way. Once you get time, you can go ahead and study these two books, India's Struggle for Independence by Bipan Chandra and also India After Gandhi, History of World's Largest Democracy by Ramchandra Guha. These two books are very good books. Although these two books you can find is philosophically they may be thoda sa different, but these two books you can study after you finish, after you have finished this Rajiv Ahir's book. Okay. Geography of India. This is a topic of prelims and also GS paper 2 section D. Geography mainly you have to read class 11 NCERT India physical environment, class 11 NCERT fundamentals of physical geography, class 12 NCERT India people and economy, class 12 NCERT fundamentals of human geography. These four books will cover your geography portion mainly. Okay. Once you cover this portion, you are at least 60 to 70% ready to face pre and mains. The link you can buy old or new NCERT. That's a very big question that everyone has. I would say go for the new NCERT. They are updated, they are good ones, and also they are available online in the NCERT website. Also, you can download and print. At the same time, you can purchase from the market. Once the minimum things are done, you can go for the additional certificate physical and human geography by Goche Leong. This is fairly advanced. This book is a fairly advanced book, but is recommended for civil service exam. And another book is by Majid Hussain, India and World Geography for Civil Service Prelims and Mains Exam, 5th edition by Majid Hussain. These two books are there. At the same time, you can keep one atlas. Okay? You can keep one atlas with you always. Oxford Longman, Orient Black Swan, Oxford is Atlas is there. So always keep one atlas with you, and whatever places you find while you're studying, let's say your GK, your current affairs, or your history, geography, whatever places you find, try to locate it in the map, and at the same time you will get a photographic memory for that, so that will be very useful for your studies. Now coming to polity. Polity भाई एक ही बाप है सबका, लक्ष्मीकांत. You don't have to go for any NCERT or anything. लक्ष्मीकांत ही सबका बाप है. Go for Indian polity for civil service and other examination. 6th edition is there. You can go for 4th, 5th, 6th edition. Edition doesn't matter that much. You can go for the 6th edition, which is available latest. So in prelims, polity is there, Indian polity is there, the topic is Indian polity, and also mains paper 3 section A is Constitution of India. So that part also is covered by this Lakshmikant's book. There are no additional read, nothing. This is the basic and additional both. You don't need anything else, only one book. रट्टा मार लो इसको, हो जाएगा काम. Next, Indian economy. Economy, I have seen many people, they struggle a lot. So in prelims, class, oh okay, I am seeing I wrote something minimum. Anyways, छोड़ दो. हर एक में शायद यही गलती कर दी, मिनिमम की जगह मिनिमम कर दिया. कोई बात नहीं. Indian economy. So in Indian economy, class 11 Tamil Nadu Board Economics and class 12 Tamil Nadu Board Economics book is there. Class 11 12 economy of Tamil Nadu Board. I'll give a link below how to download this Tamil Nadu Board books. Tamil Nadu Board economic books is far better than NCERT economics book. Okay, so go ahead, download those, print it out, or you see if you can get a Xerox copy or in the market online somewhere. But I'll give you a link how to download this PDF of these books. Don't just keep the PDF. I will not suggest you reading from the PDF. Print it out, beta. Print it out and read from there. Mark there, स्केच पेन से मार्क करो, हाईलाइटर से मार्क करो, कुछ भी करो, भर दो उसको. देख के पता चलना चाहिए कि यू गाइज आर रीडिंग. ठीक है. So print it out and read from there. Tamil Nadu book economics is very good. This will give you a very good basics, and also at the same time these are advanced level also. So class 11 12 Tamil Nadu board economics, don't have to go for NCERT. At the same time, this Ramesh Singh Indian economy 12th revised edition. This is also a very good basic book for basic plus advanced everything. It encompasses the whole syllabus of civil service in one book. So preliminary and mains, GS paper 4 section ABC, everything is covered with these three books. This is the Ramesh Singh book. Next, if you want to go a little more advanced, see this Indian Economy Key Concepts, 6th edition by Shankar Ganesh Krupia. See this actually while I was preparing for UPSC, I found one Xerox copy and I started reading this. This was a very good book for a very concise book of Indian economy. Shankar Ganesh Karupia. So this is also available in Amazon. You can buy this. Link is in the description. And if you are afraid of economics, you don't understand anything about economics, then I would say Sanjeev Verma's Indian Economy. Are bhai, this book is god level. This is a very small book. This is a small book. This is specifically for mains, not for the prelims. But this gives you a very good idea how the Indian economy runs. This I loved reading this book. Even let's say you are not preparing for this exam, but you just want to know how Indian economy runs. Go for this book. This Sanjeev Verma's book is very good. All the links are there in the description. नेक्स्ट इज एनवायरनमेंट भाई अगेन एनवायरनमेंट कुछ नहीं, एनवायरनमेंट में कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आएगा, यू हैव नो आइडिया. दिस एनवायरनमेंट, आई हेटेड एनवायरनमेंट क्वेश्चंस, पता नहीं कहाँ से आते हैं. एंड मोस्टली इट्स एनवायरनमेंट क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम current affairs. So focus on current affairs. At the same time, if you need any book, and because this topic is there in preliminary and also GS paper 1 section E, although the marks is less, allotted is less, so you can go for environment by Shankar IS Academy. Shankar IS Academy, it's a big book. देख के डर लग जाता है. इसके अंदर it has anything and everything. So you can buy this book. But I would say apart from this, you try to focus on current affairs rather than buying this book. इसको मत खरीदो कि ना खरीदो तुम्हारे ऊपर है, but this is a very big book and it contains each and everything about environment. इसे क्वेश्चन आएगा तो इसके अंदर से ही आएगा, ठीक है. So this is, I would say, from the preliminary portion. See, the green one marked is what I have given you the sources. History I have given, geography, physical, social, economic, everything I have given. Indian polity also I have given, environment portion also I have given. This English composition, by you guys have to prepare, and also Ren and Martin is there. If you are weak in English, go for the वो red वाला Ren and Martin का book. भाई that is god of all English books. उसी को ले लो. GK current affairs, this तो is a daily affair. Reading newspaper, making notes, everything you have to do. General science is also current affairs related, at the same time GK related. this अगर पता है तो अच्छा है, नहीं पता है तो how much can you mug up, you never know कहाँ से आएगा. General mental ability and numerical ability, if you guys are weak in this, I would say कि RS अग्रवाल का book आता है, you can buy that, or in any other books. If you keep on practicing general mental ability and numerical ability, you guys will improve a lot. Just if you are weak in that, then focus on this for 1 hour daily and you will be mastering that. So इतना तो हो चुका. This is still left, इसका तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आएगा. Next in the mains, I have covered this section E, environment, modern history, geography of India, constitution, human right. Actually constitution cover किया, human right I have to see more. I'll give you the sources of human rights also later. Indian political system थोड़ा बहुत हो गया है, but governance, ethics, morals are not yet given in this video. Political administrative system of Tripura, ये सब नहीं हुआ. Indian economy I have given, budget, money supply, everything is there in the Ramesh Singh book, and also it's there in the Tamil Nadu board book also. and rest all this Tripura specific I have not yet given. This slowly I will give in the next video. So all these things like GK, current affairs, national international importance, yes up to you have to prepare everyday SNT, numerical and test of reasoning. All these things you have to prepare. These two you have to practice, and this you have to go for this daily current affairs from newspaper. So this is what I have tried to give in a crisp way, the whole book list that you guys were asking for. Some more topics are left, as I have already mentioned. On these topics I will be making another video where I'll be covering the other topics of the syllabus. So this is where I leave you guys. So happy or best of luck for preparing for this exam. The next video I'll come up with the other sources that are available. So if you guys like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you have any queries or anything, just write your queries in the comments below, and please subscribe to this channel so that I get also motivated to make more videos. And my Telegram channel link will be there in the description. You guys can click there and it will directly take you to the Telegram app. Okay, so that's it guys for you. See you in the next video.